Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0589SK in color code 002. The color of the frame is brown, and the lenses are brown gradient. These glasses are also a cat eye shape. Its temple tips are Havana, and the temples are silver. You'll also find the green and red Gucci coloring and the Gucci emblem on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is the other temple. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in silver and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and it has the Gucci logo inside in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.